Hi, my name is Jentas Yunath from QA Training. This is part of a series of videos on how to use Excel more efficiently. This particular video relates to the Trace Precedents tool, a tool that you can use to determine where a formula is getting its values from. Let's open an Excel spreadsheet so I can demonstrate how the Trace Precedents tool works. Now it's important to note you can trace the precedence of a cell with a formula in it. For example, in my current spreadsheet, there should be a formula in cell D15 that calculates the total of quarter one. And if I want to determine if the formula in D15 is actually referring to the correct range, I can trace its precedence. And I can do this by visiting my ribbon, finding the Formulas tab in the ribbon, selecting the Formula Auditing group, and then looking for the Trace Precedents tool. As I click on Trace Precedents, Excel will highlight all those cells that the formula in D15 is referring to. And in this example, the formula in D15 is referring to all the cells from D4 down to D13. This can help me verify that it's referring to the correct quarter. You can also trace the precedence of multi-level cells. For example, if I remove the current set of arrows by going to my Formula tab again, Formula Auditing group, and clicking Remove Arrows, as I click on Remove Arrows, the current selection will disappear. And if I select another cell, let's assume H15, H15 also has a total in it. And if I want to trace the precedence of this cell H15, I visit my Formula tab again, Formula Auditing group, and I click on the Trace Precedents tool. This then highlights all the total values in column H. But if I want to determine if there's another level of precedence, then I click Trace Precedents again, and that will show me the second level precedence. This means that the total values in column H are derived by adding all the quarterly values from column D to column G. In turn, the totals are added together to give me my grand total in H15. And if the quarterly values were coming from another location, I could click Trace Precedents again to see my third level precedence. And in this example, notice as I click on Trace Precedents again, it doesn't take me any further, which means there's only two levels of precedence. The quarterly values added together to give me my totals in column H, and all the total values added together to give me my grand total in H15. So this is how you can determine where your formulas are picking up their values from within an Excel spreadsheet or within an Excel workbook. Hope you found this video useful. Look out for other links to other ways to work more efficiently in Excel.